welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nereida and I love sharing everyday hairstyles, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this half up, half down pull through braid that I think is perfect for any occasion. So let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off by first making a small ponytail just at the crown of my head. Now I'm going to use this hair bow to hide the elastic. You can use any hair accessory that you have or just completely skip this step altogether. Now I'm going to pick up two sections of hair and join them together using an elastic. Once it's secure, I'm going to go ahead and pull at the edges of those strands of hair to give it a fuller effect. Now I'm going to pick up the top ponytail, split the bottom ponytail into two, and pull those strands around the top ponytail and secure them together. Once again, I'm going to start pulling at the edges to give that fuller effect, and I will repeat the same steps all the way down the length of my hair. That's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. Please make sure to use hashtag NereidaSpeaksHair whenever recreating any of my hairstyles because I love to see them. Also, hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss a new video. And leave me a comment down below letting me know what else you guys would like to see. And until next time, you guys, bye!